wonderful experience. Great seafood, the fish dishes were excellent. Bottomless Portuguese wine. And a great Fado show with excellent singing and guitarists. Definitely recommend to all. Keep in mind that it's a diner plus show, so they are not rushing to get the food out for each course. The timing was great for my wife and I, since we were soaking in the experience and having a great night out. The room is very small and every spot is used. The food and atmosphere were terrific and the staff super friendly. The musicians came on 4 different times, playing 2 to 3 songs at a time. The room used to be a chapel and the acoustics are amazing and the musicians very talented. We had a great time and would highly recommend this to family and friends. We sat down and started eating, waiting for the show. I hear this voice warming up in the back, and it immediately grabbed my attention. Who is that? When the warm-up grabs your attention, you know something special is about to happen. Her voice fills the room. Her voice does some amazing things, and they seem so effortless. Very impressive. Wonderful intimate venue that served authentic Portuguese dishes. You were given choice of main dish and dessert. The wine was included in our package. Food was very good. Quite a bit of food, in fact. The guitarists were excellent. We were treated to both a female and male Fado singer. Strong soulful singing. Well worth it. Highly recommend. A very special treat to hear and see beautiful Fado singers and musicians up close, with the stone walls, candlelight and large oak doors giving you a feeling of going back in time. The staff and owners of Mesa de Frades were kind and gracious. The food was good. Loved the chocolate mousse for dessert. Nice place. Friendly staffs and good show, especially male singer who had the great voice. We enjoyed a lot and I recommend this tour to anyone who loves music. Just suggest that try to take ground floor table not upstairs to see the show clearly. Wow, wow and wow! Exclamation mark. This was such a wonderfully romantic and intimate event. A real surprise. I would highly recommend this tour for anyone looking for a truly authentic Portuguese experience. It was an amazing experience. The 3-course meal was fantastic, staff was polite and friendly, AMD the Fado show was great, service was fantastic. I recommend this restaurant. Great food, atmosphere and the Fado music was wonderful. It's a bit of a hike uphill and through narrow streets, so recommend Uber or taxi to drop off near address. Venue is small but beautiful with great acoustics and atmosphere. Music great and food fantastic. Staff really friendly and helpful. The visit was worthwhile, good food in a beautiful setting, friendly and efficient service, and Fado with soul and passion. Incredible atmosphere, music that transports you, exceptional food and very attentive staff. We loved our experience. At the Fado dinner, the singer had a wonderful voice, the food was very good, and service was accommodating.